Hi boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with our controlled vowels. The pattern for an R controlled vowel is one vowel followed by the consonant R. The consonant R changes the way the vowel sound is pronounced. For example, AR says R, OR says OR, ER, UR, and IR all say The first word we're going to do today is the word sharp. Sharp. Please write the word sharp. Sharp. Please underline the R controlled vowel, and then we are going to circle how many sounds we hear. Sharp. 3 sounds. The next word is thirst. Please finger stretch thirst. Thirst. First sound, TH consonant digraph. Then we have IR says thirst. Please underline the R controlled vowel. And how many sounds did you hear? That's right, 4 sounds. Thirst. Our next word is perch. Like the bird sits on a perch. Perch. How many sounds do you hear? Let's do it one more time. Finger stretch. Ch. 3 sounds. Let's spell it out. ER says ch. CH consonant digraph. And please underline the R controlled vowel. Our next word is burst. Please finger stretch burst. Burst. Spell it out. UR says burst. Please underline the R controlled vowel and circle how many sounds you hear. Then we have the word corn. Corn. Spell it with me. Corn. Please underline the R controlled vowel. How many sounds do you hear? Finger stretch one more time. Please circle how many sounds you hear. Our next word is under. Finger stretch under. Under. ER says How many sounds do you hear? If you circled 4, you are correct. Now we have the word farmers. Farmers. Let's finger stretch it together. Farmers. Let's spell the word together. The first sound I hear, then I hear R. I know that AR says R. Then I hear S. Farmers. Now you'll notice, boys and girls, there are 2 R-controlled vowels in the word farmers. I have AR that says R and ER that says How many sounds? Finger stretch with me. F, R, S. Farmers. That's right. 5 sounds. Way to go. Our next word is sister. Finger stretch, sister. S, I, S, T, Sister. Please write sister with me. S, I, S, T, Sister. Please underline the R-controlled vowel. And please write how many sounds you hear in sister. Next, we have the word cord. K, or, D. Cord. K, or, D. Cord. Underline the R-controlled vowel. And please circle how many sounds you hear in cord. Our next word is bird. B-R-D. Bird. B-R-D. Bird. There are 3 sounds in bird. Please write your name at the top of your paper. And boys and girls, today we're going to be sorting our controlled vowels. We have AR that says R, ER, IR, and UR all say and OR says or. The first thing we're going to do is read the word perfect, and then we underline the R-controlled vowel. I see ER, and then I'm going to use a bullet point and then write the word perfect in my best handwriting. When I'm done writing perfect, I like to cross it off my list. Then we have harp. H-R-P. I was able to find the R-controlled vowel in the word harp. Bullet point. In my best handwriting, going to write the word harp. Then below that we have story. Find the R-controlled vowel. Don't forget that bullet point. And we write the word story. S, T, or, E. Story. And I like to cross it off when I'm done. Then we have the word bird. Find the R-controlled vowel in bird. I-R. Put a bullet point right at the beginning of the line. B, R, D. Bird. Next word is guitar. Find the R-controlled vowel. Then we're going to put it right below harp with a new bullet point and write the word guitar. And you might need to be writing kind of small and in your best handwriting for everything to fit nicely. I like to cross off guitar when I'm done. All right, my friends, I think you're starting to catch on to the pattern. You're going to read the rest of the words, find the R-controlled vowel, and then sort it into the correct box. We are not cutting today. We are not gluing. We are just writing them. You're going to do great. Remember to use your best handwriting. Make sure your name is on your paper, and then move on to Lexia.